Hi everyone, hope you guys are having a good weekend. I just wanted to share with you my recent haul of assembled units. So I was quite lucky as I was browsing on Facebook Marketplace and I saw somebody selling some Gunpla. Um, so initially it was just the Rizal and Razel, I think is how you pronounce it, and another Gundam which I wasn't too sure which Gundam it was. Okay, so I popped over and I messaged the person and went over, and actually when I went over they were actually explaining to me that they actually inherited this lot of Gundams. Actually they're much more than many more than what you can see here. Well, they brought all the sets out and I was like amazed by the number of sets they had. So it was actually belonging to a friend of theirs who actually left the country and just gave it to them and said just sell it for whatever value you can get it. So I got it for a really good steal. I got it at a very good price actually, as a steal as mentioned, and these are some of the Gundams that came. Obviously the thing they did was when I went there and I saw all the units, they were actually in different boxes. They all still came with boxes, which was good. Some were here missing parts and all that, some were not assembled, so I actually spent the day fixing some and getting them all into it. So some of the things when you buy an assembled especially a Gunpla, it's kind of a hit or miss, and usually the people don't really want to buy assembled units because with Gunpla the beauty is actually, or the passion is actually building the kit, right? But I'm actually okay. I don't mind if the units are assembled because definitely they are usually in most instances cheaper. So for example, this afternoon I was fixing stuff. So let me introduce what I got. So this is the Master Grade Ale Strike remastered. This is the MG Force Impulse. This one I was always wanting to get. Usually the RG is the one that you really want, but this is the MG. It's actually a very beautiful kit. And then this is the RG MK2. So this guy, if you saw my earlier video, I actually featured this guy. When this guy came with it, it didn't have the V-fin. I actually had to use DIY it using runners, and you can look at my other video in terms of how I did it. But I'm pretty stoked because this is a very nice kit. Then obviously the very infamous MG new Gundam Verka. I got this guy from this haul. Now this unit here, this guy here is one of the most unique one. So when I looked at this guy, I didn't know which unit it was. Actually, after much research, it's actually the Build Strike MG. But if you look at it, the colors are not there because actually this kit is actually the guy who had this kit before painted it. So actually the blues here you can see on this guy, right, are actually painted upon. Right now the shield is also not the correct shield, and you can see the backpack is not the correct backpack because that's the Akatsuki backpack, I think. But for whatever reason the kit for the Akatsuki was not there, so I matched this. Luckily the backpack fit this guy here, and then this gun I think really belongs to this guy, but it's kind of like a kit bash kit if you like, but everything worked out pretty well. Okay, and let me go a little bit nearer, and then you can see at the back here, that's the Tall Geese 2, I believe, and this is actually a P Bandai kit. However, one of the things is if you look here, it's not carrying the correct gun. I'm not sure where this cannon come from, but it was one that could match. Then you can see the Rizal MG, the one at the back there. Now, this kit one is the thing that's not incorrect. Is actually the gun that is holding. It's not the correct gun as well. Okay, it's not the correct gun. But yeah, it works out. Now, when I actually wanted, this is the kit that was actually quite difficult to identify. Let me put it up here. This guy. Right? So this guy actually is I think it's called the MG Perfect Gundam. That's what it is, MG kit. Now also what was difficult to identify this guy was because actually this part is painted. The bottom parts here is all painted black. The original color I think is blue. The painting is not, I think not great, not good. I may repaint it a little bit, and then you can see here the shield and the gun also I think is not from this kit, or it's basically not the original kit, but it fit. It's quite a massive kit. And it has cannon up there. It has this strong the gun and then cannons here. Quite a very nice kit as well. I think a classic kit as well. So this afternoon I actually spent time assembling the sword. Luckily all the parts were there, so I assembled the sword for the Force Impulse MG guy. Very beautiful kit, I can say. It also has, like for example, this little aircraft here as well, but one of the parts is missing, so I'm not going to attempt to put it in now. Interestingly, this Ale Strike MG kit came with this guy, this thing here, right, attached to the backpack. But I need to do some research and find out which kit this kit is. I mean, it could be an expansion pack as well. Okay, so it does convert, and it has the socket to actually fit it into the Ale Strike. Now the Ale Strike pack was not assembled, so I actually spent this whole afternoon assembling it. There was a missing part here. This is where you can actually put in like the sabers up here, but that's okay. I'm pretty happy that actually at the end of the day, the whole backpack could actually be fitted in. Anyway, so thought I'd just share this video with you. Sometimes you can find good stuff out there. As long as you're not so particular and you know your stuff, do a bit of research, you can actually get some kits cheaper because they're assembled. And yeah, hope you like this video. Thanks.